Alright traders, hello and good afternoon. I apologize for the lack of updates. Honestly, nothing for me has been going on enough to actually get into a trade. And look, there were a couple of opportunities, I think on the pound, and I've got the Aussie dollar up here. I was just looking at it. Obviously, I put this rectangle together just to highlight the range that it's in, and I did sort of contemplate going long. I didn't know, just because it's so erratic. So I didn't, and I think I mentioned in the previous video. I might have made a video on like Wednesday or something. And it actually has broken through there a little bit. So where it closed is right at the limit. So we could see a potential sell trade. I am looking. This is going to be a review of the week and also a watch list, because I didn't actually take any trades, so the review's pretty quick in the sense that I didn't do anything. And the main reason for that is there are other work projects going on for me, and I didn't get a chance to. When I could check the market, things had already played out, so I'm not chasing, and I just let it go. But definitely the Aussie, the high of that candle there is 69.16, low at 68.29, so it's around 90 pips or so, a little bit less. So that is a potential for a sell trade right there. What I would like to see, let's go back to the 4 hour. Ideally, it comes back up a little bit, wicks again. Now, I'm not looking for exact prices, but that's what I want to see. And then we see it move low. Okay, so if we can just hold flat, probably won't do much tomorrow. I'll be watching, but I am looking for it to break down. And if we get down to 66, like 66.90 odd, is a potential take profit. Alright guys, so that's the trade idea on the Aussie. Now in regards to the review of the trading week, it's I saw there was this thing: you've got a bull market, a bear market, and a kangaroo market. And that's what's been going on. It's just been all over the place. Like, not really negative though, honestly, except might have been on like Tuesday, where it's sort of been immediately Wednesday made up for that. And it's just like, but when it's not really running strong though as well. There's definitely some overhead concerns. I see Euro has broken out as well. That actually is something I'm going to watch, because I talked about this and I did it. I must have done this on like Wednesday or Thursday or something. But that's something to watch, and that actually, it sort of looks like the US dollar strength was in favor to end the week off. Let's have a look at gold. Gold could potentially be a runner as well. Seen a few people post about that and everything that's going on. So go to the daily chart. Let me do this rectangle again. This video might go a little bit longer than 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes or so. I know everyone's got busy lives and whatnot, but there's a little bit to talk about. So it's a rough rectangle there. It's looking like it is. Sorry about the background noise. I do have the window open. It's a nice day in Perth, but there is a little bit of background noise. Gold potential breakout as well. So gold long, Euro potentially short, Aussie potentially short. I wouldn't get in all three of these. I'd get into the best looking one. And right now the best looking one is, well, actually it's probably the Euro. Aussie second, gold is probably third, just because the markets haven't really been rational, in the sense that you might see, like the equity markets move higher, but gold might just sort of trickle to 50, which doesn't actually make sense. But, technically it's still, I want some more information from next week, if it can break and hold above, 1740, okay? Because it has tried a few times recently to really try and get that. It just doesn't quite have the momentum. So the S&Ps did turn. All right, Aussie short. Aussie short is what I'm looking at then. And let's have a look at the pound, how that ended as well. So really, this was the breakdown. I missed that on Thursday night. Would have been obviously Thursday or Friday morning is when that candle would have closed on the daily, and I didn't really catch that. Well, the problem is though how it's broken down there we go to the daily, there's not much room to drop until, well, it has found a little bit of support down at 122.47, so it's something to pay attention to be fair. But we'll just wait and see. I mean, this is it's a little bit of a doozy, just with everything that's going on with Brexit. But I mean, it is probably a short, but it's not like in the priming watch list. I just like a couple things in my favor. Like the Aussie definitely does. The problem with the Aussie though, it does sort of correlate with gold, but if the equity markets are selling off, typically we've seen recently as well, the Aussie will follow that. Okay. Right, Euro pound. This is a daily chart, and Euro pound actually looks semi-long. So we've got Euro pound on watch, Euro US dollar, Aussie dollar, gold. The pound is around there. Like if we, I guess the economy's reopening over there as well in the UK. So we'll watch if things are sort of progressively getting worse and worse. It's a potential sell trade there. Alright guys, I think that's the video. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a great trading week. Get your chart analysis in, guys. Do some research. Do some reading this weekend. Enjoy some of the sunshine. It's lovely where I am in the world, in Perth. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.